there was a problem like this that showed up on your assignment. Let me go through it. What you're going to do is you're going to move to set equal to 0. So you have it like this. Didn't do that correctly, didn't move it. Minus x equals 0. You're going to multiply.
Sorry, what's up? I'm listening now.
You're going to multiply.
Are you recording right now?
Yes!
Oh, that's funny.
You're going to multiply. You're going to combine like terms.
Talk to yourself.
It seems like I was talking to you about
Worth it.
weird.
Let's see.
You're going to factor.
That makes me want to talk more.
It definitely makes me want to talk more.
And
Are we
ignore
just
the
eighth graders right now?
yahas that are doing this.
Skylar,
Yes.
Skylar 78.
And then you're going to continue like you did on your other problems.
No, I just went to.
Ignore all the background noise. They were not being nice.